Welcome back, students. It's Teacher Alan here again. I'm going to be talking about our science lesson. That's page 94. So I've decided to do one page at a time, as I mentioned before, so it makes it easier. You can click on that page, and if you need to play it back, you can, rather than going through long streams of things. So I'm dividing these up into pages of the books. So I'm hoping that's going to help you. Now, page 94 is about relief maps. Now, relief maps are showing what the land does. So first of all, it shows one, how high it is above the sea. Two, when it goes steeper, there's more lines on the maps or the colors change. So on page 94, if you look, there's a key map in the top right-hand corner, and it shows Spain. Now, what they show is the highland has the brown colors. The medium land, as in maybe 500 meters or 300 meters above sea level, would be the yellow colors, and the lowlands, maybe 100 meters or 10 or 20 meters above sea level, is the green part. So it's actually giving you what they call the elevation of the land above the sea. Okay, so you can see the islands out to the left, they're not very high, they're all quite flat. You'll also notice that between France and Spain, right at the top, there's a mountain range, and that's called the Pyrenees, a very famous mountain range. Then right through the middle of Spain, there's another mountain range as well that protects the southern part of Spain from very strong winds. And that's why the southern part of Spain, right down the south, they can grow papaya and things like that, because they don't get those very strong northern winds. Okay, let's come across a bit to some of the questions. And you can see that in the first one, we have 1A and 2B and 3C, etc. In the first drawing, we have a mountainous landscape, okay? So we have summits there, 3 summits, and we have a big valley, and then through that valley, there's water flowing right through the whole valley. In number 2, we have a very flat landscape that's called the plain, and the land doesn't go up and down very much, maybe only by 20 or 30 meters at the most. So it doesn't rise very fast. In number 3, we have a plateau, okay? So in Australia, we have a lot of plateaus. In the Midwest of America, they have a lot of plateaus and then rivers. And then what you have to do, you have to really think about this. Which one reflects in the bottom, A, B, or C? Okay, so come back to the one about Spain. We have high land as being brown, medium land as being yellow, and low land as being green. Okay, so in the top one, there's just a river and low land. Which one would reflect that? And in the third one, we have a plateau and a river going right around it. Which drawing would reflect that down the bottom? And in the last one, we have mountains, and we know that mountains are represented by brown as a high land. Okay, now you have plenty of time at home, okay? And down the bottom, there's a chance for you to make some topography, okay, or relief map. So you've got to use yellow, brown, and green plasticine if you've got it at your house. And you've got to stick pieces together to make some sort of topography. And then you've got to make valleys. And if you're really clever, you can make a blue for rivers, okay? Or you can cut it out of cardboard and use different colors and make mountains and valleys. And you've got to send me a photo of it. And that's got to be your science homework for next week, okay? That'll be your science homework for next week. So we're looking at relief maps. We have brown as the highest part, yellow is a medium level, high level above the sea, and low land, which is green, which denotes that it's only 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 meters above the sea, okay? Big mountains, obviously brown. Any questions? Contact me in Telegram. There's still 4 people now. Only 4 people have not come and picked up their books. Tell your parents to come and get them, okay? Thank you, bye-bye.